we got the Maxace Covenant V2 right here. So I'm very excited about this. I bought this for $350. I got it from Sister Soit or something. Weird name. They made a rerun, and I managed to cop one. Don't know why that shut off. There you go. But without further ado, let's unbox this. Oh, nice. We got some stickers. I don't think this is from Maxace themselves. This is from I think this is from Soit Sisters. Very nice. I'll put that on my Pelican case. Okay, so we got this nice box right here. My cat, Maxace Maxace Knife Company. Oh, this is a really nice pouch. This is they have this pouch on the V2, actually. But... oh, it's right there. Wait. Light. Okay, let's see. So we got a nice cloth. Let's see, what else is in here? We got a replacement kit. Yeah, I got pretty much everything you need in this. Well, no bearings, but whatever. Okay. This is the Covenant. Ooh. 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 Sounds amazing. Oh, the latch doesn't even feel like it's there. Ooh. Ooh. This feels great. This T6, I'm gonna take off the pocket clip so we get this back on. Yeah. Oof. This feels great. These bearings are so smooth, so easy to pull off a double choker on this thing. It's a little squeaky, I'm guessing because it's brand new. The carbon fiber is so nice. And the anodized spacers. Look at that, it's so pretty. Titanium, carbon fiber. It has a really nice plate steel, N390. Wow. Tolerances. This thing is making noise. Alright, let me take off the latch actually. This is a grail for me. I've always adored the Covenant. I was going to get a Zolo from Black Balisong, but when I heard that this is for sale, I got it. And I'm not regretting it at all. It's really nice. Is it T8 or T10? Something rattles though. Oh! Right, it's the Zen pens. They're very loose. Something's still rattling. I'll fix it later though. Just admire it for a second. Sounds so very good. Aerials are very predictable. It's very nice. The carbon fiber really helps with grit. Oh! Dang. That is not good. Oops. Yeah, I'm liking this so far. This is the unboxing. This is really good. I'm going to enjoy flipping this off camera. Not in the attic, where it's cold. Yeah, this is awesome. Alright, so this is about 3 days after the unboxing. And, I fixed the tap issue. There was never tap, actually. What I heard was not tap, but the screws were just really loose. Oops. So I used 243 Loctite on the small screwies, and I used Teflon tape on here and here, and that fixed the issue. It just needs to be Loctited because there's a lot of screws on here because it's sandwiched. So it's just a lot of parts. It just needed to be Loctited. Flipping it is awesome. The trainer is my favorite. It's not because it flips different. They flip exactly the same. I tell no difference. It just rings, though. It has a ring to it, which I love so much. I mean, listen to that. It's a really nice ring to it, and it continues ringing even when you're not flipping it. It's weird. It is a tuning fork, basically. So flipping this is a lot more fun than the live blade, just because the sound. The Balisong is really nice and grippy. The carbon fiber really works. It keeps it from being too slippery. The only issue I've had with this Balisong is these carbon fiber. Whatever they use to glue it with actually sucks. So I dropped it and it came off. So I just super glued it. And I looked it up and other people have had this problem. This is just what happens with Covenant. So after you super glue it back in, it's completely fine. So I mean, it's not that big of an issue. I don't have any problems with that. It's fine, you know? Like, yeah. One thing I noticed while flipping this is I'm not dropping the Balisong as much. I'm a lot more consistent with this Balisong. Like, I don't drop my Balisong as much, and it's really nice. It's like, I'm just better. Like, this Balisong makes me better. Not in a flipping sense, but in consistency. I just don't drop it, and I've never experienced that before. It's just really nice. Like, with all my other Balisongs, the Black Mood, the Fortress 2, the Nautilus. I don't actually really like the Nautilus. It's too hard to tune. The Glider Arctic. Oh, God, the Glider Arctic. It's a great flipper, but you drop it way too much. What other knives do I have? Jesus. The Banshee V2, the Maxace Serpent Striker. You drop those way, way, way too often. It's just not, oh my God, not as fun as this. Now, one thing is, it's really easy to scrape or scratch this. I think it's this area. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. There's a scratch right there. I'm trying to get an angle where you could see that from. It's like right there. And then there's a scratch over here. It's right there. It's really hard to see on camera. So it got 2 scratches. And I only flip it on the carpet. It's like, it hits the chair, or there's a screw, somehow it lands perfectly on a screw that I missed. Like, because, you know, I work on my Balisongs, and sometimes I just have some screws on the floor laying out, and of course I have to drop my Balisong on them. But, yeah. Just really good flipper. The titanium feels really nice. It isn't sticky. Like, some titanium finishes, when your hands get kind of sweaty, like chaplet, like, everything is harder to do, especially chaplains. It just gets sticky in a way. Like, oh my God. Whatever finish this is, why am I dropping it so much? Whatever finish this is, it's really good. Like, I can be my hands can start getting sweaty and it won't make a difference, like G10. I thought old titanium Balis were like that for a strong minute, but I just realized it's just a Trophis's finish. Maybe it's like more raw. I don't know. This really is a grail for me. I'm so happy I was able to get this. Maxace makes amazing products. Oh my God. Maxace makes really good products. I'm a huge fan of them, and this just made me an even bigger fan of them. I thought there's a ceiling to the amount of money you spent. I thought more than $200 is probably crazy for a Balisong, and you're not going to get the same quality. Sorry, someone knocked in my room. I was saying I thought you wouldn't get any better quality for something above $200. I'm just wrong about that. Like, this is great. It's my best flipper, and I'm happy to have it. It's my most expensive flipper. It's my best looking flipper too. It just has so much going for it. There's no way to dislike it. And yeah, so that is my unboxing video and review. Well, I guess not exactly a review because I've only had it for about 3 days, but I will update you if this knife has any problems. And right now, it's the best flipper I own. And I would never dream of selling it because it just flips way too good. So that was the video.